up, guys? Fox right here, giving you another video today. Do another Pokemon. Yes, I'm sorry about the shiny hunts and stuff. My DS is trash. I seriously need a new one. I don't need a new one, but I want a new one. But anyway, so what we're going to be doing today is opening up a Necrozma Pokemon pack. So let's snip away the top. Let's kind of save this artwork. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so let's see who's actually on the inside. We actually have Necrozma on the inside. It's neat. That's a new one. Ah! They all fell. Let me get those. Sorry, they're going to be a little jumbled up. It's okay. So they're back. Okay, the rare is on the top. So I have that. It's like interesting rare. Not hollow or anything, but oh well. Have a fairy energy to go with that. Guzma. Cool. A super scoop. Cool. This person. Cool. A sandy gas. Cool. The full evolutionary line. Cool. A crab roller. Cool. Have this thing as our reverse hollow. An Inkay. And a Snuffle. Alright, well, that was cool. Got some new cards out of that type of pack. No EX or anything. I haven't pulled an EX in ages. GX. Last time I pulled a GX, like, it was a while ago, I can tell you that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye!